Ayan na si Kuya. Guys, this is our scale. Like that. Aduh, very late. Dance. Sorry about that, my.
Ay, putok na yung ko! Gago ko! Mamuti ka na nahulog!
Alright guys, this is the mall and this is the hotel. I mean, this is the hotel. This is the camera, guys. Bye. I mean, not bye. And this is the outside. It's dark. And this is a close. It's so dark. Forever, guys. In a little. Oh, my arm. My hand. Ow.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus
So that's
go
good.
round and round.
Okay, so it's injured.
Through the town.
Wait, this is the
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Ang galing ah.
This is so creepy. Guys, this is this. I'm hungry, but this is Bananga City. Ito lang po yung mga bahay na po namin. At po yung kapatid ko. Ito po yung lola ko. Ito po yung labas. Yung bis namin nag-watch ng daddy ko. Ito po yung screener. Tsaka po yung upuan. Ito po yung pintuan. Ano po ito? Bless mo. Mamit na po ito. Mamit of truth. My brain hurts. Just kidding. This is a camera, guys. This is the world of truth. This is Philippines. If you want to go here, let's go in Philippines. Good job, guys, for watching this video. Subscribe if this get 90,000 jillion, trillion, 16 trillion views. Viewers, I will go part 2, guys. Bye.